Thinking about taking a road trip? I set my GPS to the Kawartha Lakes and was on my way to capture the changing colors of the leaves. I recommend the best time is during fall, and I chose Thanksgiving weekend to drive up to chase the changing colors of the leaves. You ever think about the YouTubers who do this? It takes so much work and nobody knows. So you could break your ankle and just don't run. Like just walking over this. Whoa. There's like these crevices of rocks here. You step in the wrong place. Like literally your foot goes inside somewhere. Brook. I've got a serious question. Like, how did the rocks get here? Really, think about that.
This one is one time I'm doing this. One time. This used to be the road trip song. I said a hip hop, you hip it, hip hop, you don't stop the rockin' to the bang bang boogie, say up jump the boogie to the boogie beat. And one to Mike, and I'd like to say hello to the red and the brown, the purple and yellow. Bang the boogie to the boogie, say up jump the boogie to the bang bang boogie. Dress to a T, the dog's got two big dogs, shop new Cadillac. After school, I took a dip in the pool. This is really on the wall, so I can see the Knicks playing basketball. That was it. That was only one time I'm doing that, and I messed up so much, but I never actually did that in my life to say it.
In order for one to find themselves, they must lose themselves. I meet a lot of animals on my trip.
They're all looking at me. I ain't got nothing.
Every time I meet an animal, the interactions that we have are very memorable.
They're all looking at me. Look. They gotta speak for the birds. They're all looking at me.
I love animals.
Aww.
These goats can put a smile on anybody's face.
Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Hi guys.
So cute.
Hey.
When taking your trip to the Kawartha Lakes, don't forget to stop by the Woodview General Store. At the Woodview General Store, you can find cottage equipment, cottage clothing, groceries, your Kawartha dairy and milk, fresh pies, firewood, fresh local cheese. You're welcome to bring your dogs in. Woodview General Store has the famous Kawartha Lakes ice cream, made fresh and local from Kawartha Lakes. This is a Hippie Chippy, a fast food joint right beside the Woodview General Store. Custom signs. It's a really great place because it actually inspires the heart of Kawarthas. When you go to the Woodview General Store, look at all the different things that you see. That are unique and crafted. You'll see some old photos, some famous people, some memorable moments. Artifacts, antiques, hidden treasures. When you meet the people of the town and the people of Woodview, you see that's where the real heart of Kawartha is. Everyone is very inviting and very hospitable when you go to the Kawarthas, especially at the Woodview General Store. Can't forget about the Canadian fudge. I believe it's made locally. You got sweaters, cottage wear, and even photos from the Kawarthas.
So I just stopped off Highway 28 from the Woodview General Store. Really cool shop, a lot of antiques. Get your Kawartha ice cream up here as well. Nice spot. Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you? Can I say hi?
Yeah, well, sure.
Yeah, beautiful.
Sure.
Oh wow. That's okay. I was waiting to see a horse all summer. I didn't get to.
Oh no?
Yeah.
She's very quiet. You can go right up
Nice.
to her.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Put it on the head, yeah.
Go anywhere you want.
Oh wow, beautiful. Oh my gosh. Nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
Were you up north for the weekend?
Yes. Yeah. Kawarthas.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Next year I think I'll do Algonquin.
Where did you go in the Kawarthas?
I stopped by Wolf and Anstruther Lake,
Yeah.
and then Loon Call,
Okay.
and then I just was at Eel Creek, and
Yeah.
I car camped. It was
Car
nice.
camped.
Yeah.
Right
So
on.
I just did a whole weekend. So
Yeah.
It was nice.
Picked a good weekend.
Yeah. Not bad. Last one I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you do rides here too?
No, not yet. We farm.
Okay.
So she's a working horse.
Wow. Nice. Kind of like a shepherd, but for
Yep.
the cattle. Cool.
Yeah. So
Wow.
we call them cutting horses.
Cutting. Nice.
They're trained like a little sheepdog.
Yeah. Maneuver. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Pretty impressive.
Wow. Cutting like TT or that D
TT.
kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of our day off, to be honest with you. We've been at this all summer, and
Oh yeah.
you reach the Sunday of Thanksgiving weekend,
Yeah.
then things start to slow down after that. So
Nice, right?
take a break.
Season's over, kind of thing.
Yeah, kind of. I mean, we go till November.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
But after
Yeah.
Thanksgiving, a lot of people close their cottages up, so
Yeah.
just the traffic slows down a little bit.
Right. Nice. Nice. That's great. Thank you. And your name is sorry, Brandon. Angus?
Yeah.
Brandon.
Brandon?
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. So you guys are always here every
Yeah.
year?
We,
Yes, sir.
brother and I grew up here, and
Nice.
maybe 47 years now. This has been in business.
Wow. Nice.
Every year it grows a little bit.
Great. Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe, you don't mind if I do Google shots too?
No,
Like
no,
Post
you
on
do
Google.
whatever you want.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
We don't have a website yet, but
Oh yeah.
this
Okay.
winter we're going to do a website and
Nice.
all that stuff.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, great.
Yeah.
Perfect. Does she have a name too?
Dixie.
Dixie. Awesome. Cool.
Yeah, she's a horse.
Yeah. Tough, eh?
Yeah.
Cool.
She's a strong
Nice.
horse.
Yeah.
Actually, she's her horse.
Oh yeah.
Mary Frances, you and I should be trading places here.
So thankfully on the trip I decided to take as many stops, and when I've seen something that caught my eye, I wanted to take that moment to really capture that. As you see people drive by, this is what they don't notice, and this is why I recommend kind of slowing down and exploring things. Have an open mind to explore something new. Be mindful of where you are, because if you actually take time to look around, you'll recognize that there are things around you that are unique, creative, and have that open mind of like, what could I see here and who can I meet here? I love this cat. So cute. These are the hidden gems that I encourage people to slow down and to acknowledge. Steve is a wood carver, and he uses a chainsaw and other tools to carve these pieces of wood, and everything you see here, he has made and he has done with his creativity and his ideas. Not only can we appreciate the work, the time, the effort, and the creativity that you see behind each of these pieces, but to acknowledge the artist and to recognize that the artist has this in their mind and that they think of these things. I think that's a lot of the beauty as well that people need to recognize. It's not just the art piece that they create, is the artist. Thank you everyone who has watched my Kawartha Lakes road trip. I hope you enjoyed it.
I think we did enough filming. I'm happy. Say I'm done filming, but am I really ever done? No. Like I keep finding stuff and I keep wanting to shoot this and that, and But I said it was about the leaves. Like the main idea of this trip is all about the leaves. It's incredible. The views, the colors, this is perfect. I want the leaves to do the whoosh thing. Visit parkscanada.gc.ca to register and set up for your next camping or road trip adventure.